Welcome to the module entitled Legal and Ethical Concerns and Issues. In this module, you will be discussing a lot of really in-depth content and research. So you're going to be investigating economic factors that affect educational funding. You're going to be looking at ethics versus law. What are ethics? What is educational law? And you're going to be looking at specific scenarios in which you have to determine, is this an ethical issue, or is it a legal issue, or is it both? And how do I know? So you're going to actually have to do some research, and I'm also going to point you to the Code of Ethics for Teachers, which should help you to determine if it's an ethical issue. When you're looking at these scenarios, we want you to be very detailed in your responses. I want you to think about it from multiple perspectives. During this module, we want you thinking about the types of decisions that teachers make on a regular basis, and are they ethical? How do we know if they're ethical? And what are the things that, ethically speaking, teachers should be doing for their students in the classroom in terms of, advocating for funding or supporting their educational needs with assistive technology? What is the role of the teacher legally and ethically? We're also going to discuss teacher liability and precautions that you can take to ensure that you are doing your job and that student safety and all legal and ethical requirements are being met. I want to look at the assignments here. So you're going to read through the ethical and legal PowerPoint that has been created for you. And in addition to that, you're going to do an article review. You're going to do your legal and ethical issues analysis. This one's going to take a lot of time, so don't wait until the last minute. So on this one, you're given 7 situations, and you're going to have to read through these, and then you're going to have to answer the following questions for each scenario. Is this a legal or ethical issue? Why or why not? Which of the NEA ethical teacher principles are involved? What other issues are involved? So also think about, okay, here's the scenario, but are there other issues or impacts that may be happening because of this? Number 4, what potential actions can be taken by the observer? Now, action sometimes includes inaction. Maybe you do nothing. Maybe you need to talk to an administrator. Maybe you need to go to the school nurse. Maybe you need to bring in the entire grade level team. There's all different types of possibilities, and I want you to include every single one that you can think of. The next question, what needs to be considered before determining exactly what to do about this? So I listed these possible 6 things that I could do. If I do number 1, what might happen? If I do number 2, what might happen? Who else might be impacted? Number 6, finally, what action, if any, needs to be taken by the observer? And include who else should be involved in this situation. So I know right now this might not make a lot of sense to you, but when you get in there and you read these situations, just remember you've got situation 1, answer these 6 questions. Situation 2, answer the same 6 questions. Situation 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. You want to be very, very thorough on that, and you want to use research to support your responses. All right, so if you have any questions about this module, please reach out to your instructor. Please do not wait until the last minute to start this, because this will take you a significant amount of time. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful week.